So let's talk. I almost quit the other day. You know, it's been a really hard season and a lot of stuff really hasn't been growing. And so I came out here one day and I saw that something was eating on one of my tomatoes. And so I had asked my dad, like, hey, can you do me a favor? You water the garden all the time. Sorry, am I turning back towards the light? I'm like, you water the garden all the time. Can you... What in the world happened out of here? Looks like it was another storm, huh? Apparently while I was working, apparently it must have been another storm because the garden is looking torn up right now. Anyway, so I asked him, like, hey, can you do me a favor? Can you grab the ripe tomatoes? Girl, off comes a whole box of green tomatoes. And do you know how defeating it feels when you have been fighting for your life to get a good garden this year? And it seems like nothing's helping you to do that. Let me show you what he pulled. Here's them on the table right now. Because they want to see if they can get ripe on the table. I see some are starting to blush. These were ripe. These was all that needed to have been taken off. But instead, needless to say, when I saw a whole box full of green tomatoes, this is gonna sound horrible, but your girl was crying. I never knew I was so attached to my own garden, but I started crying. It's the little hurt cry, you know what I mean? Like defeated, I'm tired, cry. I've been working hard as it is because I'm out here working. On a happy note though, I grew these from seed. Am I the only one that like treats it like it's your baby? Like when I grow something from seed, like I am more excited growing it from seed than when I buy it. Also, I screwed up here. Look at this. I don't know what to do because I did screw up here. So we have 2 sunflowers actually growing, and I have a zucchini. I forgot I put the sunflower in there. Now, my toxic trait is I hate pulling anything. I hate to pull something that's growing. So now I don't know if I should pull it or just let it go. The corn is growing. And then I got a zucchini plant over here, which to me looks sick. It's looking pretty sick. I don't know if I can amend it and make it better or if it just doesn't like being next to another squash plant. I don't know. This zucchini plant was growing well. We've gotten 3 off of it so far, but I don't see any more coming up yet. We'll see yet. But I've gotten 3 off of here. And then we have this little one growing here. Are these runners? They shouldn't be runners. These was pole beans, but for some reason they're leaning like a mug. And then I have a patty pan over there that needs to get pulled. So the garden looks a horrific mess. I will tell you that. This is that part, like you would have thought we had an amazing season. It's just been a super wet season. So I need to get in here and harvest what I can harvest. Tomorrow we're gonna pay attention to the garden. Because I swear, I almost just hung up the towel. I was just done. I was mad. I was ready to come out here and pull everything. Like, just pull it, call it a day, we're done. I give up. I'm trying, but I give up. You know what I mean? Like, you pulled green ones. When have you gone to the grocery store and got a green tomato? Yes, we know you can eat green tomatoes, but nobody wants that many green tomatoes. Let me get back to it. We're in the middle of my closet office build, which you guys will be seeing soon. But yeah, that is the harvest video. I just wanted to update y'all on why it's late, because I almost quit. And I almost said, forget this. I quit. I'll see y'all next time. Morning, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. So can you believe it? It is almost August, and this is literally our first harvest together. I have harvested like a few like peppers and stuff like that here and there, but like today we're gonna do a massive harvest, and I'm so excited. So I want to bring you all along with me. I think I need something for my arms, because it's been raining so much this year that these what do you call these things? These mosquitoes ain't playing. I need to start some seeds, some fall seeds, because it's almost time to like replant, get something inside that greenhouse. I need to clean that out. Oh, there's a bunny in the garden. Hey, out of my garden. What are you doing in there? So now we need to see what we got left out here. I know there was some low-hanging fruit, so we'll see what he got to. If the bunny's enjoying the garden, that means I'm not going to be enjoying something. So the garden has been growing. We have a ton of squash. We have, well, not a ton. One plant has 2 huge squashes on them, which is funny because I was just out here a couple days ago, and it was like the tiniest little squash, and we got a huge rain. And now we have a ton. I mean, that thing is massive. So you know what? I think I'm gonna grab. I went to Lowe's yesterday, and they have these really cute pink Project Source buckets. We're gonna take that with us. Like, look at this thing. It's adorable, right? Okay, so we got our bucket, we got our coffee. Let's go. It's time to get our first harvest. I'm so excited. Let's see what else is in this garden too. This feels like a dangerous time. You ever have like a coffee that's so good that you don't want to put it down? Because I'm there right now. I fear that as soon as I put my coffee down, something's gonna go in it, because it's nice and sweet. And I need to buy some more creamer, so give me a second. Oh, let's just enjoy for a second. I did get my little sleeves because I know going in that squash is going to tear me up. But whatever. Let's get to harvesting. These bees are having the time of their life running around in these squash flowers. Y'all, pray for me. This is why I like to harvest at night. But I Googled, and it said the best time to harvest was first thing in the morning, when right after the dew has like gotten off all the leaves and stuff. Now personally, I love to harvest first thing right in the evening. That's when I do my harvesting. But we're gonna try this. Let's hope I don't get bit. Do you see the red I see right up in there? And I see some red over there. Right there, yep, right there. Now we gotta figure out how to get it. If these squashes are like going the wrong way, they're supposed to trail out into the walkway, and instead they're trying to run up the plants. That wasn't your job. Okay, there's one. There's our first one. Number 2. Aren't they pretty? These, I believe, are the Paul Robeson tomatoes. Look at that. You see that big thing? Yes, honey. Our first zucchini of the year. Overdone. Woo! Squash bugs all on that one. Huh. All right, we gotta figure out how to swipe them off. I had to get my gloves. See the squash bugs all up on there? Look at that. Ew. Another tomato. Need to get washed off, but it's still a good tomato. Thank you for your food. That wasn't quite the plan, but whatever. Here we go. Some wasn't right, but majority was. Alright, let's get to these patty pans, which are overdone. Definitely overdone. Yeah, this one looks decent. It's bigger than it needs to be, but it's still got that same shape. I'm trying to figure out if these two are too small. I see one that looks pretty small, but that one may be able to be harvested. Let's see. Oh, well, I guess I did. See a blushing tomato touching the ground. Let's see if we can grab it up. There we go. Anything else? That one on that ground looks like it's not ready yet. I think we did good though. First harvest of the year. Y'all, I'm mad. I'm over here weeding out my little vegetable garden. I mean the onions and the carrot garden, right? And it's got a ton of weeds in it. It made me pull out a carrot. But at least we got our first carrot of the season. I'm so mad. I wasn't ready to pull you out yet. But she got a big, nice top. And she was a good carrot too. Look at this. Oh, add that to the harvest, huh? I'm so mad though. I was just like, oh, I'm cleaning out the weeds. I've never had so many weeds. I've never had so many weeds in one garden bed. It's not even funny. But this year they have been like trying to take over this onion and carrot bed. Oh, see? And now we got an onion. A little baby onion. You didn't deserve to come out yet. All right, I almost got attacked by bees, so let's go in the house. I want to thank you all for coming along with this little harvest tour today. This is just it. Thank you all for being here, and I hope you guys enjoy. Until next time, I will see you all another day.